All right. So now we are on the NetSuite Cloud ERP side, and this is where I'll talk a little bit about NetSuite. As you can see here, NetSuite is the first cloud company. There are customers in over 217 countries and territories, so it's very worldwide and very, very commonly used. So when that gets brought up, I like to tell companies a lot of times they ask me, I'm not sure that NetSuite will be able to accommodate to this, or would NetSuite be able to do this? And I usually say that NetSuite will have the capability through, even if it takes customization or personalization or any type of workflows or scripting, NetSuite does almost always has the capabilities, because there are so many companies worldwide using the system that have seen it all. And so the knowledge base is enormous. Their questions and articles about how to do it. The Suite Answers has a wide variety of different ways to do things, and most of the time, your unique scenario will have a solution in NetSuite. NetSuite's experiencing record growth with 36,000 customers worldwide and 4,800 new logos in the last 12 months signing up for NetSuite. Now I'll talk a little bit about us. Let's see here. About what we do at Concentrus. So at Concentrus here, we partner with Acumatica and Oracle NetSuite. We are based in California, and we're a comprehensive cloud ERP implementation and customization service provider that reaches across North America. We, like I mentioned, we have a complete NetSuite and Acumatica solutions provider, and a little bit more about that as we provide implementation, customization, integration, support, and training to help our clients get sustainable long-term solutions to meet their business needs. Other digital transformation services we offer are AP automation and digital mailroom and other document digitization services. What I like to tell clients about how we differentiate ourselves from other partners is our support module and our customer service. We have in the United States, we have consultants in every time zone, so we're always able to accommodate to needs, as well as at any time we can source help from our team that might be global to go in, and if there's deadlines that need to be met, or if you need around the clock service, or if there's a fire drill and you need Concentrus to help you through, we always make sure that through our business model and through our clients, through our consultants and help available around the 24-hour clock, we're able to help get you